Welcome to my channel Electronic Science Tutorial with a new lecture video. Recently I started a new lecture series on data interpretation and we will trying to solve the previous year NET and SET question paper. In last class we solved December 2009 UGC NET data interpretation part. Today I will solve the June 2010 UGC NET data interpretation question. So without any time waste, let's start our class. June 2010 data interpretation question based on the line graph or line chart. So here is the line graph or line chart. We already know that how we have to solve the line graph. First of all, in the x-axis the year has been allotted, that is 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005 and 2006. And in the y-axis price in rupees has been allotted, right? So this blue graph is for plywood, this yellow graph is for saw timber and this red color graph is for log. So the three line graph has been placed in this line chart, right? So in 2000 the price in rupees of plywood is 3. In 2001 it was also 3. In 2002 it has 4. In 2003 it was 5. In 2004 the plywood price in rupees is 4. In 2005 we can consider this point, that is 6, and in 2006 this point we have to consider 7. So in 2000 it is 3, 2001 it is also 3, 2002 it is 4, 2003 it is 5, 2004 it is 4, 2005 it is 6 and 2006 it was 7. So these are the all points of plywood, that is price in rupees, and if we connect these all points we have get this blue color line, right? Next we have to determine the saw timber graph, that is in 2000 the price in rupees is 10, 2001 it has been also 10, 2002 we have to consider this point, that is 11. In 2003 again its value is 10. In 2004 this point has to be considered as 13. In 2005 this point has been considered as 14, and in 2006 this point is considered as 18, right? So if we connect 10, 10, 11, 10, 13, 14 and 18, then we get this graph, yellow color graph. Now we have to consider this red color graph, that is in 2000 the value is 18, in 2001 the value is 19, in 2002 the value is 21, greater than 20 but less than 22, so it has been 21. 2003 the value is 18, 2004 the value is 21, 2005 21 and 2006 21. So these are all the points of this red color graph, that is 18, 19, 21, again 18, 21, 21 and 21. These are the all points. Okay, so the option is option A, saw timber, option B plywood, option C log, and option D none of the above. So what is the question? Which product shows the maximum percentage increase in price over the period? So we have to calculate over the period, means we have to calculate the first value and the last year value. That means we have to consider 2000 value and 2006 value. So what is the value of 2000 for plywood? That is 3, and the 2006 the value is 7. So the value is 3 and 7. So it is the initial value and it is the final value. The final value is the greater than the initial value. So how can we calculate the percentage increment? That is final value minus initial value divided by initial value. So 7 minus 3 divided by 3 into 100, and we get the percentage value. So next, this saw timber line, what we consider? We consider over the period percentage increase. Over the period means we have to consider initial value, that means 2000 value, and we have to consider the final value, that means 2006 value. So in 2000 the saw timber value is 10, and in 2006 the value is 18. So 18 is the greater than the initial value. So how we calculate the percentage calculation? 18 minus 10 divided by initial value 10 into 100, and we get the percentage value. Same process applied for log graph. We have to consider for 2000 the value is 18, and for 2006 the value is 21. So again 21 is greater than 18. So we have to consider final value minus initial value, 21 minus 18 divided by initial value 18 into 100. So we get the percentage, and then when we calculate these 3 percentage, then we can say what is the maximum percentage in price over the period. Okay, so in the next slide, so here is the solution. The percentage increase of saw timber is 18 minus 10. 18 is the final value, that is in 2006, and 10 is the initial value. This value is in 2000 value. So final value minus initial value divided by initial value into 100, that is 80%. Next, percentage increase of plywood, that is 7 minus 3 divided by 3 into 100. 7 value is for the 2006 value and 3 is the initial value for 2000. So we get this percentage, that is 133%. And next is percentage increase of log, that is 21 minus 18 divided by 18 into 100, that is we get 16.6%. So what is the maximum percentage? That is the plywood value. So option B is the right answer. Okay, so plywood is the right answer. This is the maximum percentage value over the period. Okay, coming to the next question. So the next question is, what is the maximum percentage increase in price per cubic meter of log? That means we have to consider only this log graph or the red line graph, right? What are the options? A, option A 6, option B 12, option C 18, option D 20. So in 2000 log value is 18. In 2001 the log value is 19. So the difference is 1. Okay. Next, in 2002 the value is 21, previous year value is 19, and in 2002 this value is 21, so the difference is 2. Okay, again in 2003 the value is 18, in 2004 the value is 21, 2005 21, 2006 21. So 2003 the value is 18 and 2004 the value is 21. So in this case the difference is 3 and this is the maximum difference. So we have to calculate, what is the question, what is the maximum percentage increase. So we have to, firstly we have to calculate this in this area, because in this area the maximum increment has been occurred. In 2003 the value is 18 and in 2004 the value is 21. So the difference is 3. So in this portion or in this period the maximum percentage increment has been occurred per cubic meter of log. So how we calculate, next in how we calculate this value we saw in next slide. Okay, so this is the solution for log. For 2003 the value is 18 and 2004 the value is 21. So 21 minus 18 divided by 18, final value minus initial value divided by initial value into 100, so we get 16.6%. So the maximum percentage increment in this year 2003 to 2004, because the difference is maximum in this period. Okay, so firstly we have to determine in which period the difference is maximum. Then we have to calculate in this period, considering the previous year, we have to consider or we have to calculate the percentage calculation. So the percentage calculation rules is 21 minus 18 divided by 18 into 100, final value minus initial value divided by initial value, so we get 16.6%. Okay, so what is the correct option? This option is not in the question paper. So how we consider the options? We have to consider option C, that is the value is 18. Okay, so we have to consider the option C, answer is the right answer. Okay, coming to the next question. Next question is, in which year the prices over two products increased and that of the third increased. So these are the line graph. So in 2000 the price is, plywood price is 3, saw timber price is 10 and log price is 18. In 2001 the plywood price is 3, saw timber price is 10 and the log price is 19. So these two are the same, plywood and saw timber, only the log is increases by 1 point. Okay, so in 2002 the plywood price is 4, saw timber price is 11 and log price is 21. So in this year plywood has been increased by 1 point, saw timber is also increased by 1 point and log is also increased by 1 point. In 2003 the plywood price is 5, the saw timber price is 10 and the log price has been decreased. So these options are not coming in this calculation. Okay, in 2004 the plywood value is 4. Next, the saw timber value is 13, and in log value is 21. So here is the also a decrement occur in plywood section. Okay, so if we consider 2005 graph, the value is 6 for plywood. For saw timber the value is 14, but for log it was not been increased. It was the value is same because it was again 21. For 2006 the value is 7. For saw timber the value is 18, and for log graph again the value is same, that is 21. So in which year the prices over two products increased and that of the third is also increased? That is only occurred in 2002, because in 2002 the plywood has been 4, the 4 point, the saw timber is 10 point, sorry 11 point, and the log value is 21 point. But if we compare with the previous year value, that is 2001, the saw timber plywood value is 3, the saw timber value is 10, and the log value is 19. So only in 2002 every value is increased comparing with the previous year value. So in which year the prices over the two products increased and that of the third is also increased? In 2002 is the right option. So here is the option: A is 2000, B is 2002, C is 2003, D is 2006. So the right option is B, 2002. Okay, hope you understand this topic. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you. If you like, do like, share and subscribe my channel.